Hi, thanks for clicking on this video. Today, I will show you how to recover deleted Instagram chats and messages. Make sure to subscribe to fix it for more tutorials. So the first step is to open the Instagram app on an iPhone or Android device. Then go to your Instagram profile. Now we need to tap on the three lines at the top right corner of the screen. Click on the option which is called Your Activity. When you open that, then you need to click on the Download Your Information button at the bottom. Now we just need to go through these steps in order to download our Instagram data, so click on Request a Download, and now you can select the information. If you only want your messages, then you want to click on this option, but if you want your deleted media, comments, and much more, then select the first option, which is Complete Copy. I want only my messages, so I'll click the second option, Select Messages, in here. As you can see, you have a couple of more options here, like the media quality, the format of the file, and the date range. Select the options that you need, and then Submit Request.